Hello Moon. I became very curious. What is your dark side hiding?
Hello planet Earth. Good question. I will try to answer it. My reverse side is beaten by meteorites. Also there is the highest point on my entire surface, having an altitude of almost 11 kilometers. This is higher than the highest point of the Earth, the majestic Everest.
Wow. It is very interesting. Why do people see only one side of you from Earth?
Astronomers call this synchronous rotation. We rotate at almost the same speed. Therefore, only one hemisphere can be observed from the Earth.
Thanks Moon. See you soon.
Goodbye.